Biyaheng Los Angeles ang ilang kapamilya stars para sa asap natin to sa California ngayong Sabado. At dahil 8 hanggang dulo, babiyahe na patungong Amerika si Joanna para makasama ang iba pang Beanie members. Nagpapatrol MJ Felipe.
Iba-ibang paintings, art installations at sculpture ang tampok sa The Brute Collective Art Exhibit. Nina Drandre Belleza, David Kaufman, Ron Lopez Davis at aktor na si Sandino Martin. Kwento ni Sandino, semi-retired na siya sa pag-arte, kaya mas na-enjoy ang paggawa ng art.
Now, as an artist, I'm focusing on my experience, my thinking, my emotion, and my personal dilemmas and personal stories. So that's what I want to do in my art.
There was a student who came last Saturday and was really affected by Sandino's work. She was really moved by the story and the work itself. So I'm very, very proud of Sandino.